What we've installed is a Pandora Storm Immobiliser. The Pandora Storm Immobiliser is now a Category 2 Thatcham approved system, so it's insurance approved. But the nice thing about it is the fact that it's a modern immobiliser that is approved for insurance companies. Traditionally, Category 2 immobilisers, you either have to have like a receptacle that's actually drilled into your dash, and then you have a little tag and you touch the receptacle with that, and that disengages the immobiliser. You can have like a transponder one, which is like a little ring, but that has a lot of issues with modern vehicles because it can interfere with the electrics on the modern vehicles. So we only recommend that on much older vehicles where it won't be so sensitive to that sort of thing. So this is now an immobiliser that would work on a nice modern vehicle without causing any issues. There's no holes drilled and it's just invisible as well, if you like. So let me just demonstrate. Now, what you have to do with the Pandora system, you have to carry a unique tag, which I'll show you in a second. At the moment, I've got that tag in a Faraday bag, so the actual immobiliser cannot see the tag. And as a result, this vehicle should not start. So if you come over here, I'm going to try to start it. So what it's doing is beeping at me, and it's basically saying, and I can't start it, it's completely dead. What it's saying to me is that it can't see the tag. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to now introduce the tag, which, like I said, I'll put into a Faraday bag. And that's basically what it just looks like. It's quite a small thing. And you don't have to do anything with this tag. All you have to do is keep it in proximity. So you've got the tag, got your key. Now I'm going to jump in. Ignitions will come on. I can now start it. And that's only because I've got this tag present, so I don't have to push any buttons, I don't have to insert this on anything, just got to keep hold of it and that's it. And the vehicle starts. So without this, the vehicle will not start. This would also work on old vehicles, so it's not just designed for modern vehicles, it will work on old vehicles, and the nice thing about it, it will work on a brand new car without any issues whatsoever. The other unique thing about this immobiliser, you can upgrade it to be a full Category 1 Thatcham approved alarm immobiliser. So you've got the immobilisation side of it and you can make it into a Cat 1 alarm system. Now that is not possible with any other systems, but it is with this. So it gives you that little bit of flexibility if you did want to upgrade it to a full Cat 1 alarm at a later date. So that's the Pandora Storm, which is a Category 2 Thatcham approved immobiliser, which is obviously insurance approved.